Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable auto standby mode for a speaker Harman Kardon Studio 4. To disable auto standby mode, you should press Bluetooth button, volume up button and volume down button at the same time for at least 5 seconds. Okay, we see a light, that means that we disable it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leaving the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!